Hey YouTube, this is the P38 Pilot DK with the knife review. Today I'm reviewing the Victorinox one-handed trucker. It's a locking, folding knife with a liner lock. It's a fairly good knife. It's been my everyday carry knife for over a year now. The blade length is 3 1/4 inches long. It's got a nice easy ring or thumb ring to open up the knife. The liner lock goes the opposite way to close it compared to any other liner lock. It's got a nice little wood saw, stainless steel like the rest of the components of the knife. The saw works really good on wood. Everything else, it's kind of iffy. It's got the normal flathead screwdriver and bottle opener that also locks with the liner. It's got the Victorinox can opener, which is probably the best can opener on any knife. Also, on the can opener, there's the small flathead screwdriver. There's a Phillips screwdriver that's conveniently located in the center. Some of the complaints on this is it does tend to wobble when you're trying to use it. Then there's an awl that's a giant pain in the rear end to get out without using another knife, say like this Victorinox Classic. Then it's got the standard Victorinox toothpick and the Victorinox tweezers, which I end up using quite often. The blade is Victorinox stainless steel. The front or the rear inch is just a normal grind. Then the front edge, from about the 2/3 part forward, is all serrated. From my experience, this knife rocks cutting through cardboard and rope. It's also a decent utility blade. I've used this during my job. You can also baton small kindling with it. The overall close length is 4 inches and 3/8. The open length is approximately 7 inches. It carries fairly well in a pocket. Some people, it may be a bit big. It would be nice if it had a clip to clip on the edge of the pocket, because it tends to ride deep and almost horizontal in my jeans pockets. Overall, it's a great utility or everyday carry knife. I got it with this Victorinox Classic for about $40 a year ago off of Amazon, which is my recommended place to actually purchase these knives. Overall, I would say that this knife is extremely high quality. As you can tell, there's a whole bunch of lint inside my knife, which I'm not sure if my webcam is actually picking up, but it's a very well made and very practical knife that's good for people on a budget. Thanks for the views. I'll plan on making more videos as soon as I have the time or equipment.